Let's explore how to configure your assessments in OLI Torus. From the Schedule and Assessment Setting page, go to the Assessment Settings tab. Here, you will see a list of scored activities. You can manage them one by one or in bulk. Let's look at settings for individual assessments first. Each activity includes multiple settings you can adjust regarding when and how students experience it. To do so, simply click and select or enter your changes. To mention a few tips, the time of date here follows the 24-hour system. Enabling targeted retake mode will allow students to only redo questions they got wrong. Also, passwords and exceptions will help set special access rules or accommodations for individual students. You can also use the search bar to search for specific assessment names. Now, let's look into the bulk apply function. With many assessments, managing one by one can be tedious. Bulk apply allows you to copy settings for one assessment and apply them to all the others, except for the available date and due date. For example, here I change the number of attempts and late policy of the Getting Started assessment. All I need to do is to select it from the list, click Bulk Apply, and confirm. This applies your selected setting to all assessments at once. Really time-saving, right? There will be another video explaining student progress and insights. If you have additional questions, visit our OLI help page.